Okay, not a problem. You will receive the quotation within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for making it Sykes Travel Services. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Wow. And I'll rise up. I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up. Sykes Travel Services, good afternoon. How may I help you?
Wagwan, man.
Yeah, bro, fam. I tell you, the man, them really represent them work, man. Yeah. But I want to tell you, this is going to be a good size storeroom, you know.
Yeah, man, my general, nice size one, cause guess what? The plan is, we've done this. We're busting at home.
Yeah.
And just put the bar as a temporarily and start tear down the old bar and then build it up brand new. So after we've done that, we just move back the bar up on the front and everybody happy again. You see it?
Yeah, man, I love all that sound. Love all that sound. So the progress, there is no slowing down, no stopping. Business continue. But I wonder still, if you think we might be ready with everything for say December.
Boy, my boss, I tell you, I'm ready for the Christmas thing, but it now I'm ready so quick still. I look on the latest February, March. I'm telling them I look on the latest. I move fast, but I look on that at the latest time.
Well, that's understandable, I mean, just a be overly, passionate and zealous, but February, March sound really realistic, because the man them really go fast with the work, I must admit. You know what I mean? Boy, I tell you, my G, I'm proud of what I want. Proud of what I want. But tell me this, so the nightly activities like the bingo thing and them thing, they are going to continue in the meanwhile though.
Hello?
Greetings. Is this Roxy?
Yes. Who am I speaking with?
A customer.
Okay, how may I help you?
I need a location and a number.
Excuse me? I think you have the wrong number.
No, man. I'm sure I have the right number.
Sir, I'm going to hang up the phone now. When you're ready to do travel business, you can give us a call back, okay?
Sure, some Mullins would be happy that you hung up on an agent. Roxy, you there?
Who is this?
Check code name Pitbull 00723.
Raymond Savage.
Sharp. I like that.
What do you think about the class today? Well, I love them energy, I love them vibe, them look lively, I enjoy teaching them.
Nice, and you look like you enjoy teaching them. And more of them something I want to get involved in, as you look like you this is your calling.
Because I just love seeing when people smile and happy. I enjoy that.
Wow. It's really a pleasure to really see the look on your face when you're teaching. Part of some of them projects you're going on, and some of them I want to get you involved in Kingston and out of town. You think you can manage that?
Of course, Bubbles, I can manage it. Me even tell Patsy so she can pass to the shoppers and do some of them projects.
Alright, but you talk to Patsy about the shop, yes, but what about Kareem?
Yeah, Kareem have an understanding. So we don't have to.
I'm not going to question you, I'm not going to
No, I'm not question me. The two we both pan the road after and the one time we spend each other with the others.
Alright. My ear say, come around here the other day though.
We spotted him.